Burns & McDonnell is a leading global engineering, architecture, construction, environmental, and consulting firm with a strong and lasting presence in Canada. Founded more than 120 years ago, Burns & McDonnell has been providing engineering services in Canada for over 75 years. Serving a variety of industries across Canada and its various markets, we have provided engineering, construction, and multidisciplinary professional services to power generation, electrical transmission and distribution utilities, airports, manufacturing facilities, and oil and gas clients. From our first Canadian project in 1944, when we established our presence by providing the City of Montreal with gas and electric utility services, we have grown to support clients from British Columbia to Newfoundland and Labrador. We draw on the talents of more than 7,600 professionals worldwide, offering everything from project planning, development, and design to environmental permitting and turnkey construction services. We are honored to call Canada home, with offices in Calgary and Toronto and a presence throughout the country to serve our clients. In 1968, we joined forces with the City of Regina to plan, design, and provide construction management for a sanitary sewer system for the provincial capital. When TransCanada needed a world-class generation facility, they chose Burns & McDonnell, who with their joint venture partner successfully designed and built the 683-megawatt Halton Hills Energy Station, which provides reliable energy to the people of Ontario. Obstacles like rough terrain, challenging weather, and remote locations were overcome as we helped BC Hydro complete 340 kilometers of new overhead transmission, the largest power line project in the province. AltaLink made a bold decision to collaborate with us in creating a more accountable delivery model for its billion-dollar capital infrastructure investment. Leveraging our experience with EPC delivery and program management, we provided successful, efficient, and highly accountable execution of critical capital projects. At Sask Power's Queen Elizabeth Power Plant, we helped convert 3 existing simple cycle gas turbines to combined cycle configuration, boosting the plant's output, efficiency, and cost effectiveness. Faced with an aging infrastructure and a need to efficiently manage a step increase in capital spending, Hydro One selected Burns & McDonnell to assist with process improvement and project management services. This support has led to a successful partnership with Burns & McDonnell and Hydro One, working together to be able to more efficiently implement an increase in capital work to update and fix the Hydro One transmission and distribution assets.
Safety is ingrained in our culture. Our goal on each and every project is to achieve 0 recordable incidents. We measure ourselves against the highest standards, and we integrate safety into everything that we do. So that philosophy has helped us to reach the top percentile of Canadian contractors for total recordable incident frequency.
Having a 100% employee ownership culture means that we each have a stake in superior performance and a commitment to excellence that translates into successful clients. Because of this, we are regularly recognized by professional organizations and diverse publications for our technical knowledge, superior client service, and as a top place to work, including consistently ranking as one of Fortune magazine's 100 best companies to work for. Our professionals in every discipline are dedicated to optimizing their approach and maximizing the return, setting the standard for superior project execution. We have the resources on hand and in-house to deliver customized solutions that keep projects on schedule and within budget.
For decades, we've engaged in multiple projects supporting First Nations across North America. And, everywhere from British Columbia to Saskatchewan, Alberta, to several states, even south of the Canadian border. We've established strong, relevant working relationships with First Nations regarding everything from initial project planning and startup to land use for construction. Most importantly too, while doing these wonderful projects, having a sensitivity and understanding of heritage resources and specific sites where we need to be, very respectful of what was there before we showed up.
We believe in supporting and investing in the communities where we live and work. It is the core of our culture. Burns & McDonnell is a member of the Calgary Chamber and the Ontario Chamber to demonstrate our support for local businesses. Our Canadian offices actively participate in and generously support local charities such as the United Way campaigns, the Enbridge Ride to Conquer Cancer, the Alex Community Health Center, Woods Home, and other local welfare programs. Burns & McDonnell truly believes that the success of a project is not only defined by safety performance and being on time and on budget. We truly believe that embracing and respecting the local and indigenous community is a huge part of the success of a project.
Our professionals not only pride themselves on technical proficiency, but we're also contributing to the industry knowledge in Canada. We're members of several organizations such as CIGRE Canada, IEEE, Canadian Electricity Association, and IPSA. We've come a long way, and Canada's future looks even brighter. We're proud to call Canada home yesterday, today, and tomorrow, and we're going to create amazing together.